Hi everybody, it's Julie. I'm so excited to bring you not one, but two ABC digital kits. So I have the main ABC digital kit here, and then I had a little linen digital. So it was a linen book and some other ephemera. So let's go ahead. We're going to start with this one. So little ABC book printed on linen. Isn't it adorable? It has these great images down here. This is the cover. And so I think it's going to be so much fun to use. You'll be able to cut these out and use them in your journals or your projects. You can cut these, use them as a card, or you can go ahead and make a little mini journal. And so there are some great images. We have an owl and a mug and a mouse and a nest and a lock. And then we have a library pocket tag. And we have a flinch card. And we have the library pocket. So you can go ahead and cut that out. And yeah, so that was really cool. And then we have another page. And we have the other two pages. Okay, it has the full alphabet. Look at the great detail. I left these untouched, okay? So all the blemishes, everything is there just as you would see it if you were looking at it. Here's all four pages, or four of the pages on one. So this is a smaller version. Okay, and then you get, so you have all 6 pages plus the library card in a smaller size. Then you have them even in a smaller size. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all the pages here on that one. You get the large alphabet page, so you can go ahead and cut these out and use them for decoration, or you can cut envelopes and things out of them, and I did that. So you also get an envelope page with the large envelope, the small envelope, and the 2 tags out of the cutoffs from the envelope page. So that is the mini ABC linen mini book. Okay, so the little linen book. Okay, you get all of that in that digital kit. Okay, so next we have the ABC digital kit, and let's see, let's start with pages. Okay, so this is your extra large page, and figured that could go on the inside of a journal. You could put like a tuck here if you wanted. You also could go ahead and fold it funny, but the resolution of it was still really great that I was like, well, I'm gonna go ahead and use that in here. So then we have the cards all over the place collage. We have the ABC block collage, and now we have the side-by-side pages. So if you were actually going to use this, you could go ahead and fold this, and it's on the right side for this to be like your cover page, and that would be your back, could be your back page. You have the full alphabet and the B. It's frosty, kind of pretty cool. The ABC side-by-side page here. This is ABC tags, so that if you went like this, you'd have 3 tags, or you can use it and fold it like you would for a list journal. Next we have the side-by-side pages of the alphabet letters, and the way that I did it is you can go like this and they'll be in order. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Okay, and then you've got the last pages, and same thing. So you turned it like this, so you could have two signatures of these pages, put other things on the other side. Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. And there. Okay, so here's the tags. So you saw we had the one already. Then we also have these large tags. You know, I love the large tags in the journals. So you can either use this as a large tag, or you can cut out the pieces and use it. Large tags. This is large tags, or you could fold it up again. Okay, so it could be folded and in your journal like that. Okay, this is an ephemera page. You get the ABC blocks and then the little journaling card of the cover. Here you have wallet size cards. You have the blocks again, and then a landscape. And then here you, okay, those were, yeah, so those were like that. And then these were from the mini journal pages right here. Okay. So those are mini journal size. Then you get the landscape singles. Okay. And here's your mini journal, the rest of your mini journal kit. So you do have this full-size page again, but you have these little pages, and you can make a mini journal out of this. I just think this is going to be really fun to use with your, well, it'll be fun with Christmas. The different letters will go great with all different themes. There's a lot of bird ones, cat ones, ones with children. But I just think that they're going to be great with the golden books when we're making journals using the golden books. So these are available now in the Etsy shop. They are 50% off through Sunday. So they are on sale through Sunday. I believe that's the 12th. Let's check it's the 11th. So through Sunday the 11th, they're 50% off. If you are a Patreon and you have, if you have joined my subscription on Patreon and you are the tiers that have the coupon, you should be able to use your digital coupon on top of the 50% off. Because the 50% off is a sale, and then you can put your coupon in. Okay, so there you go. Congratulations if you get to use that coupon. I believe it makes it 70% off. So thank you all for watching, and I look forward to seeing what you do with this. Isn't she absolutely adorable? So, so, so cute. So which one is your favorite? I love them both. I really was excited to find this in my stuff. I think it's going to be really, really cool. Have an amazing day. Thanks for being here. Bye. Bye-bye. That's the Dear Julie Etsy shop. Bye-bye.